So today we're going to take a tour of Rhodes at QE Park, Vancouver, Oakridge area. Boutique luxury living. So the site will be at 5275 Chrischan Drive. Now, because it is a boutique building, there's only going to be exclusive collection of 62 homes, which obviously features the 1, 2, and 3 bedroom layouts ranging from anywhere 588 to 1,302 square foot. Each home has a thoughtful, minimum 9-foot ceilings, wide plank hardwood flooring, integrated Miele appliances, and elegant interiors. And if you're looking for something more spacious outdoor-wise, select homes will offer incredible outdoor spaces, such as garden patios, balconies, and rooftop terraces. So you're looking up to 1,900 square foot. Now for the amenities. Residents can enjoy a premium fitness center and yoga studio, along with sauna, open air rain shower, a landscaped courtyard with a children's play area. Oh, and there's a library lounge with secure underground parking. So again, for the location, you're steps away from QE Park. So whether you like basketball, tennis, hey, maybe pickleball, golf for the pitch and putt. Oh, and how can I forget? I grew up playing some ball hockey, roller hockey there. And don't forget, the anticipated completion time is fall of 2026, so that's coming very soon. Interested in learning a little bit more about the Rhodes project, or come take a look with me? Reach out at any time.